Okay, so welcome to another episode of Excel Tutorial 101, where today I'll be teaching you how to create a simple grades checker using the criteria or the requirements provided to you by your teachers or professors. So, in my example, I will be using written works and exams, in which works covers 60% of the total grade and the exam covers the 40%. So the customization of the table is totally up to you. But what you essentially need is the column for OS, HPS, and percents. OS is the obtained score, and the HPS is the highest possible score you could obtain in a specific activity. And for the percent column, that is where you'll be inputting the formula to compute your grades into specific requirement. So the formula here is you sum your obtained score divided by the sum of the highest possible score multiplied to its weight, in which, in this case, the written work's weight is 60%. So, that's it. Same goes for exam, but since in my example I only allotted one activity for it, I will be dividing OS by HPS and then multiplying it by 40% or zero point 0.4. So, for the total part, you will be summing up the computed percent for written works and exam, and then that's basically your grade. So, I'll be providing here an example or like an insight to make it into context or like a visual. Apologies for the chicken in the background, but yeah. So here I've set up the HPS in each activities, and as you can see, the percent section or like column changes depending on what you've inputted in your OS. And the total row automatically computes what your grade will be depending on the results. So yeah, thank you.